Now is the time to optimize your Rikon bandsaw machine with Sawblade.com's Quality Aftermarket Guide Upgrade Kit. This guide kit is engineered to give you a superior experience while cutting. The Rikon 14 standard with Micro Adjust is the economical, simple solution that will help eliminate blade drift, increase blade life, and boost your performance. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of a solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for an unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This particular Rikon guide kit features a toolless, micro-adjustable guide. This feature makes it easy to make modifications and change blades quickly. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and come complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machine guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all your Rikon aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality, American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thank you for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Leslie, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markups, no problem. Go direct.